This is Joe, Littletown's newest owner-operator. Since he started his own business, he's enjoying being the boss of his own life. Choosing his hours, deciding his own rates, it's the dream. But with those perks came many pitfalls, like higher fuel prices, doing taxes. Not to mention benefits like truck and health insurance have gone poof since he's not covered by a company anymore, making management twice as time-consuming and overwhelming as well as expensive. So he went looking for a friend and found several with the American Association of Owner-Operators, a nationwide association made for owner-operators in small fleets. AAOO helps their members to make and save money via a professional service provider network. From fuel cards to tax and accounting help to insurance authority and DOT help and more. AAOO enabled Joe and 25,000 more small fleets and owner-operators to start a successful business and ensure their families are well provided for. Register for a free 30-day trial membership and see what benefits make the most sense for you.